Thank you for buying this 14917 three-tier literature display from Fixture Displays. This is molded product, have a high precision and holds 8.5 wide literature nicely. This letter size literature holder is fairly durable and overall is 1.3 pounds, has an outside dimension of 9.4 by 6.3 by 12.6 inches. This is an excellent item for office use along with trade shows, or put on your countertop for your clients to access your literature, magazines, among other printed products, or even sample swatches. Now, each pocket is fairly deep, allow you to hold a fair amount of material. In addition to display on the countertop, you can also mount this on a wall. You simply match up the position, drill a couple holes, and fasten screws. Then you can hang this on the fastened screws. Encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.